lady go, Bat Freak, or these people all get a bullet in their heads.
I think you should do what he says. It would be a shame to get blood all over my nice new outfit. What do you think, Batbrain? Like it? What am I saying? Of course you do! Who wouldn't? So anyway, here's the deal. Mr. J is really not up to a visit right now. He's not feeling himself. Well, actually, he was earlier, but that's not what I meant. He's not doing so good, and that idiot doctor I sent from here didn't help. I've seen more smarts from these bozos. I've got to run, boys. If he tries anything funny, kill him!
Attacking armed thugs head-on is suicide. I need to disappear. Pick them off silently, one by one.
Don't you move, Batman. Just stay there and this will all end okay.
What do you mean, end okay? She left us alone with Batman. Disappeared.
They don't know where I am. Good. Let's keep it that way.
Gonna get us.
Time to survey the room. Plan out my tactics. 4 thugs, all armed. 2 hostages. This is gonna be easy.
We need to get out of here.
He's gonna get us.
He's got a hostage.
Can you hear
I can
me?
glide to the scaffolding
Try and
above
get
him
us
without
and
being
these
seen,
people
and take him
die.
down from there.
I won't stop him. Oh man, I'm gonna die in here.
You'll be okay. Wait here and don't make a noise.
Where he is? I can't see him. He could come from anywhere.
Stay calm.
If I can get behind those 2 without being seen, I can take them both in one
Leave
move.
now, or the bitch has a hole where her head used to be.
Yeah, leave us alone.
You're safe. Stay quiet.
Where is he? What's
That idiot thinks he's safe in the confessional. He's just made it easier for me to get in behind him. The room is secure. You're safe now.
Thank God. Yo, Batman! Thanks for the help!
I'll get you free, Doc.
Thank you.
Okay, people, listen up. We're in control here, not these animals. I want this place locked down tight. All medical staff check supplies, find out if anything was taken.
What about Stacy? Is anyone going after her?
I don't know if any of you just noticed, but Batman just saved our asses. If anyone can find her, he'll do it. Okay, does everyone understand? Look after the wounded, keep the bad guys out. We're a team, let's keep it that way. Thank God you got here, Batman.
After what happened at the asylum, I thought you'd settle for a quiet desk job.
Yeah, right. When Shark closed down the asylum, it turned out there wasn't much work for an ex-security guard who failed to stop a mass breakout. This is the only work I can get.
What happened back there wasn't your fault, Cash. What was Harley Quinn doing here?
That crazy bitch busted in a couple of hours ago with the rest of these idiots. Took something up the tower, then blew up the staircase.
Thanks. I'll check it out.
Wait, sorry, Batman, I forgot. Couple of them grabbed one of the docks. Quinn said something about needing her to fix up the Joker.
If she's alive, I'll find her. You concentrate on securing this church. It should keep you all safe.
Will do. Hope you find the doc. Her name's Stacy Baker. She's one of the good ones.
Did you find that easy? You were supposed to. That was merely a taste of what is to come. You will regret trying to outsmart me. You will solve my riddles, and you will collect my trophies. You may not want to, but you must. It's a matter of life and death.
There's the gun. It looks like it's being controlled remotely by Joker.
Well, look who it is. I haven't seen you for... How long has it been? Let's see. There was an asylum, some monsters, and... Oh, that's right. You left me to die. Now, you probably don't remember it that way, but who cares? You just need to worry about the bombs. Hurry up now. Clock's ticking.
Alfred, I've got a lock on the signal used to remotely control the sniper rifle. Joker's behind this.
Was there ever any doubt?
The radio signal should lead me right to him.
Good luck, sir.
Where are they? They should have been back here hours ago. I don't know. They know the rules. I keep telling you guys, get back here before it gets dark. Maybe Two-Face's crew got... It's the Bat! He's too chicken to face me. I'm the wrong person. What's the Bat doing here? You're gonna... Figure something out. Trust me.
Augmented reality training online.
Sure about this?
No, but what choice do we have?
There's gotta be something else we can do. What? You screwed it up with Penguins, guys. I think they'll kill us if we go back there. And you saw what happened when Batman went to court. Maybe Two-Face is still okay, you know? After Batman went in there. Did you see Batman come out? Yeah. Did you see Two-Face? No. Oh, so it's the Joker then? Maybe he's not so bad anymore. You think? No, I think he's a total psychopath. Who'll probably kill us for kicks.
You are now taking your first tentative steps towards a better world. A world of fun, mischief, and that's all. A world where the only person you need to answer to is yours truly.
Augmented reality training activated.
What's the policy today? Word is we shoot every sorry-ass loser that comes this way. Okay. Wait a second. Doesn't Joker...
Augmented reality training complete.
Today, however, we shoot them. Yesterday, we took them in the back room and burned off their skin. Really? Yeah, but sometimes Joker just lets anyone join. Keeps things interesting. Interesting? Sounds dangerous. You're just lucky you joined the...
Augmented reality training activated.
Man, it's cold in here.
Tell me about it. Do you remember winters being like this?
Augmented reality training complete.
Every year is a little colder. Me, I blame freaks like Free.
Augmented reality training online.
I heard he likes it cold. Figure he's the one cooling the planet. No way me driving a few blocks did it.
Yeah. Probably froze up his old lady. When does she look good?
Augmented reality training activated.
This can't get warm.
Enough with the cold. I get it. Full yet? Not even.
Augmented reality training complete.
Joker wants me to make sure he's the one with all the food in here. Come on.
Augmented reality training online.
Man, I'm starving here. Just give me a couple of minutes. You ever stop to think what's in those cans?
No. Does it matter?
Not if you like eating dog food, it don't. What? You're kidding, right?
Yeah, I don't believe it.
Up to you. You don't see Joker or Harley eating that crap, do you?
Yeah, screw it. I'm eating it anyway.
That's right. See if you can cram a little more into your greedy mouths. You make me sick.
Shut up, man. I'm eating here.
This stuff tastes like something Croc eats.
Augmented reality training activated.
I know what you guys are thinking. Is Life and Joker Enterprises
Joker really sick. Can't believe he's dying.
all of it? But you want the bright side. At least you know what you're getting yourself into, and I can promise you this. You'll never...
Augmented reality training complete.
I see you have called in the Batwing, sir. Did I forget to pack something?
No, Alfred. I think I need the grapnel boost.
But Mr. Fox told you it's not yet ready for field deployment. It's still in the prototype stage.
I've done enough training. I'm ready.
Grapnel boost upgrade deployed and ready for collection.
That's right. See if you can cram a little more into your greedy mouths. You make me sick.
Shut up, man. I'm eating here.
What is this stuff anyway? Keep eating, ladies.
What the hell's wrong with you? We ain't eaten for days.
Tiger 5 to command. We have a visual on a distress flare on a rooftop in the East Arkham district. How should we proceed?
Ignore it. Most likely Mr. Wayne is attempting to contact his people. It won't do him any good. He will die in Arkham City.
If this is dog food, it's not so bad. Look out! The bat! Look out! Batman's here! This thing's going through your face!
Surprised to see me, Batman?
A little. Last time I saw you, you were wrapped around the hood of my car.
You knew it would not kill me.
I wasn't trying to. I'm in no mood for a fight. What are you doing here?
Dr. Young's Titan formula. The Payaso managed to send some off Arkham Island before you stopped him.
How much more did Joker manage to get off the island?
Too much. That is why I am here. I will not allow the basura of this city to abuse the Titan. Dr. Young used me to create it. It is my duty to destroy what remains.
I'll help you, but understand this. If you try anything, I'm taking you down too. We find Titan containers, we destroy them. Deal?
Of course. Each container has a radio beacon built in. There were 12 containers left in this city. We take 6 each, then we meet back here.
6 each? Fine. Today isn't a good day to lie to me, Bane. Remember that.
Augmented reality training online.
Where next?
Grapple further for the boost to kick.
I'm sick of standing out here. I'm gonna crack open the crate and drink the Titan myself. Batman!
This Titan container is well protected. The only way to destroy it is to use explosive gel.
I need to find and destroy the rest of the Titan containers.
Sharp was the one in charge of Gotham. How come he gave it all to Professor Strange?
Listen up, dumbasses, and listen carefully. As you know, Mr. J
Alfred,
is...
I need to find a route into the Sionis steel mill.
Have you tried the front door, sir?
Why didn't I think of that?
It was obviously too easy. Let's see, if all the other access routes are locked down, the only way in would be... No, it's suicide.
The main chimney. Okay then.
Protect it with your life, because if you fail, I'll make sure...
The steam from the furnace will boil me alive. I need to cool down the coal somehow.
Joker wants you to think he's sick. Then wham! Gotcha!
I don't know, man. He looks pretty sick.
You mean worse than usual?
Shut up, man. Someone will...
I promised you some entertainment, right, boys?
Please, I did my best.
Well, you should have tried harder. That useless quack has failed Mr. J, and you know what that means. Oh, I think we can do better than that. Get in here, Mr. Hammer. Come in, Mr. J.
Help me!
Change of plan. Take her to the smelting chamber. Mr. J wants this one to suffer a little longer. Right then. The rest of you idiots, get out of here. You know what you've got to do. Go get the snowman and bring him back here right now. He's gonna pay for screwing over Mr. J. I need him back here like yesterday.
Who was Holly talking about?
Sounds like she's declared war on Freeze.
Yeah, you found him pissed. How's he connected to Joker and all this mess?
How should I know? She's always freaking out these days. Joker really must be sick after all.
I guess. I always figured he'd last forever, you know what I mean?
Maybe it's got something to do with all that crap back at Arkham Island. You saw what happened, right?
Only what was on the TV. He was like some kind of freaking monster. He was huge. I thought he was gonna start ripping choppers out of the air.
And then next time we see him, he's all normal looking.
Yeah, normal. Like he ever looks normal.
It's breaking back! This is where you're gonna die!
Don't let him get away again, boys! Is all that blood getting in your eyes, B-Man? What the hell are you doing here? You're supposed to be dead! Well, there's no way you're getting to Mr. J. We're safe and sound up here. You can just stay down there and burn!
Alfred, Joker's holed up in the manager's office in the steel mill.
I'm sure you'll find a way, sir.
Of course I will. Some of his goons dragged a doctor away. I'm going to find her first, then deal with Joker.
Urban myth?
Yeah, and if he's real, mine. Thank you. This place is